Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download Monopoly Go game from the Play Store app latest version. So let's get started. First you need to open Play Store app. Simply click on it and click this search icon, and in the top search bar click Monopoly Go game and click the search icon. And you can see the first option is about Ludo Star. Simply ignore it as it is only an ad. Simply click this second option which says Monopoly Go game. By clicking on it, you need to simply click this install button. When you click it, your download is started. As you can see, the game is about 138 MB, so it will take some 5 to 6 minutes depending upon your internet speed. Once downloaded, you can install this game on your Android device. So that is end of this video. If you found this video helpful, kindly subscribe to my channel. Do comment down if you have any question. I am here to answer you. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.